Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kidan bun jai kirukom ajing Sumar. Lakalong, ka alopathy, ka ayurveda, ka homeopathy, acupuncture, acupressure, berkiwe-kiwe de kirukom ajing Sumar. Pinampai ke Batesi TV, ngajliana poleng, but minta kesngi, ngidan hang ni ha Mawkasiang. Balik ya kendu, ya kini kinong ajing Sumar, ha kini ka St. Francis Healing Holistic Center. Kini ka center ka ajing Sumar, kiba bun jai jingpang. Mereka ba kampau hi, kini ka acupressure, but kiba buon hi kiba yo ikajing pang stroke yo Jingkoit na kani kajing Sumar. Ngishkwarum betip shapi ba amtang kibriyo na kani ka jala ka jungi. Rewat na ba jalaru ki jiwan sa kani ka center ban yo ikila jingaram na nikila jing Sumar.
We are working for last 30-35 years. People come from as far as Tripura and then Mizoram and all come here for treatment. Also from Bangladesh and even Calcutta people are coming. A lot of people come because they go to different hospitals and not getting okay. And then finally they come here and then a lot of people got healed, but we are not 100%. And government of Meghalaya gave me an NOC to do healing.
William Simle.
Sana.
Senang na makurat jan soklam jan makurat.
Di pelawan Sumar ni lah kat no mentah.
Senam tam. Iyo jing rap kang khap koj mata khap koj bun. Ai podang stang nang kong kawan tu lai pnai sok pnai wan mat kasngi. Lai mata wan teng teng ka arsen steel.
What about the most common sickness that you have treated?
A lot of cancer patients and then a lot of paralysis. That's what main treatment is on that.
Ki keste labon hi bawan semarane khamtam ki bi stroke ki bon bawan layo Jingkoit ke nang nem swadang wan te ki wan suong surat na de jing thiam to te hadin pat te ki lala ban syong mal share hadin to tayo arteo lala ban nya
Kesan kupar ba sayo mo?
Pisong pisang
Nga syong po nong ra.
Dikini ka Jaka ba Sumar ni pelawan bun singi.
Ngala don tala arbana isteng eh. Ako nang ne.
Tapi shitam gumno.
Siya nga sungo tang itay jing tersanya kakti. Dia ngala persyang mani di dawai naki dokter nga persyang homeopatik. Dia nga sungo ka kamerap. Dia nga mendakwa nga di dawai kulumar kana du karata. Dia nga syu yo sungo yang ni Jaka sini. Kepala jubuna kan. Ibu don ki perlok ki bawan Pak Sumar sini. Yo ek ka Jingkoit ke Jingkia. Dia nga ngapai kemat lang sakani ke Jing Sumar ko mentah. Dia nga sungo kalong kaba yarap hi tam yang asimen nangej ba baru hi bayawan Sumar ni iyo ya kata ka Jingkoit ke Jingkia kan lembakan di Jing Sumar ni.
My name is Shibun. I'm from Kerala.
So how long have you been here?
My hobby since 2022. Usually I will open around 8:30. Before patient will around reach here, then brother will come around 9 o'clock. Then we'll start before one prayer, small prayer. Then we consult the patients. Then we start the therapy also.
So how do you book the names? Do you do online or on phone? Or
No, we don't have it online. When the patient will come, then we take it like that only.
So we've also heard that when you initially started this center, there were like so many of the helpers like who used to do massage. How many of them were there when you started?
There were times when there were about 13 helpers. But when I got transfer from here to Khanduli in Jaintia Hills, then the number came down. Here right now 7.
Those who do the massage?
Yes.
7.
Kerteng jong ada I sisa miri no spung.
Ladan Islam bagi ke center?
Ngalak dan hi kumba kandai sinem post na mai kum gani ke Sumar ong kong long chani kam dan te ka min hi ke dei hang ni po Mawkasiang menta te kila dan hi ki sustar ki basang chani shatu ki bala mi nang ni ka rukom ba sedang ban kem te ka dei kandai sedang ni sedang ban chim pisien andal adep cek berdanang tai ni sedang ban chim ki pisien
Ngagerteng i ai palin nong spum. Ngadon hi khat sinem ai. Ni sedang chana kakli ban kem. Kakli ke dei ki beri ki badan kum ki migraine NA te ki bahai BP ki sedang nak klik chua ki sinus bun ha hakli ki pon ki benta ki sen organ
ka ki ka ba ngai i hang ni ka dei iwe iba iyo ita ide bapang ita ide long bapang hat te ita pade ide basalaban isa laban i ong wat tang ban sum ya la jong ru nga ngam la iong ban sum ya la jong ngal wat tang ban ra ban tong pu na pu mong ban ra ta ka mong i ong ban the yel jong ngam la tengat itip kin kan ka Sumar ne nda ila tip kan ka Sumar ne iwan i ong ngal ngo nga kem hang ni tang arsngi nga persyang ban sum nda nga sum ngal ala ban ra ya tak ik iber idon hang te notis iwa habar
Ibu ang bakal stand.
doktor kilo ang ban bu stand bam la chu ban hab dan kam ban bu stand de ndai itip shani ken 4 likbu ya tau stand ila tip pade ba ya kan ka Sumar shani anda ila wan hang ni pe ilngo i ong nga nung tanga kem syate tang arsngi lai sngi ngala la ban sumhi
Ya ba kerpang marbanyang
Kisah misal.
masa hamulai nong meli
Iklawan Sumar labun sendiri.
hang ni la arteo tang tidan jingkot ang ni nadian dian dia par bangaya itu ipang di singkai ru ti ngakwa ban ti kiar ge hel jong tu kum tang alai po hospital hakwe ni hospital ngalai po selo ti yang pendi ini ki dawai lai bun jai tengam kham di dawai tengam kwa ai bandi ti dawai tin dah bang apet nang tuang ik advertisement spang kan ni next day morning tang step lawan mare sini ngwan ye kendo ni brother ti ngapatai problem ang itai bloke si bodan tala mo ban weng ya ta namar na hospital kilam advice nga ban operate ban tiang siwan nak ni hani kyong le phingit hangi te ni kan cha be ti man tak la ja ta mun su ti man tang la khlang la nga le khwai li eru ngamut kampang su an puk per le su ti kayarap ba sagoi ki mong snat ni ban wan dai kini ki ba train ni sa tek bilang dedicated bat ki sufu samar ki aruf sagot kataan ki mong snat nga wan ni jam klo ba
Actually, it's making so much publicity because we are not able to handle so many coming here. That's
Now how many patients?
about 40 to 60 patients daily. Today, how many?
Today 45.
45 people today treated already.
I am Sister Ritu Mary from Andhra. Since I am 2 years onwards, I am working here. Here, many different people are coming here, like those who are suffering from paralyzed, cancer patient, and those who are dumb and deaf also. 3 months or 4 months, they are hearing and they are speaking also. Last 5 months, one patient came here. She cannot walk. She is 5 years old. She came for treatment here. She took 3 months here treatment. Now she can walk and she can speak little, and she had left from here.
So can you tell us now about the technique, brother, like what the pressure point and all that? Can you just explain few of the pressure points?
Actually, the human body is able to heal itself. That is the main theory behind, and we are only just stimulating those points. We are not actually healing. Your body is able to heal itself. It has capacity. Such wonderful machines our bodies are. We are just finding out the pain or where it hurts and keep pressing. We don't inject anything, neither we touch the blood, no invasion, no side effect, only the pain. And if they are very weak, then naturally it will become start swelling and a bit bluish, but keep pressing daily. About 15 days or so, then things will improve and people feel fresh, get good sleep, and then they never go away from here.
Dan iway bawan kamang ne ito dan problem ka skor te keren te ilai he tang ba nam ta ka skor mat ba plim not bahar mo ban keren ting tharayo ba kum lai na non ne ti klem nong klem not kin ban keren tang ba mentai la wan kum ba si banai la don tharai ba don chane tang ba yong snoi rap kin khendiat amari don jing pang tersan melum malan ka ti tip ba don nak skor ne kum non ne ta Hadin pat na tum tatay dang Sumar ben panikai brodar hikan sim training lekot bapule tengi training kumto brodar la hikai ki point ki ayo tengi la kan mi uro umto long tal abatai atat ki point tingi pule bat kakot da kumno ro sisnam ban yo ban sim patient kan.
So many cases are there actually. Most of the people who come here are outcoming from the hospitals. After treatment, after a few months or a few years of treatment, they come. If they are not operated, then it is easy. Those who operated and those cut off, then natural therapy this one. So we cannot work on that. So what is natural only we can treat. If it is cut off, then we can't do anything. But she gets good sleep. She feels fresh. She feels a little more energetic after therapy.
Nga kerteng sebedi tubru. Nga sa sini sama kusiang. Hang ni tengal adon arsnam steng. Kiba bun ha ki nong panggawan Sumar ni ki akar rukom jing sitom jangki te ki stroke kiba bun nang ta kini ki slip disc ki ba pangsengkai ka gastrik ka thyroid kiba bun ha kawe ka kes ka ba skutenat banya tu ba don tak kena uba sitom la kata sya u kolong senam nang ta sya u butlum te uta bala kata sya sengkai te da u marsen jeng marsen kelon dala adap dala awan hang ni kum balai benai tu ula jam ula la ban ya ji menta ula normal ula elek kai football ru
Stephen Karsham
Di Peladan Islam makanya center.
ban kumta hi hapo ikat san snami tang la pe ki bana bar te ni kem kumju ndai ki don la chong stom te mut ki pon chung ki to ni kam sim kya ka to ka benta ken
Di ba do basimpor ka kat nus ni ilek sen basu tu ya kata jung pera ka met maka dan jing harap jing kem.
kasyong ha ki cat jing stom ro kasyong ha jing slim jing ki banwan Sumar don ki batang kum kastro ki bakhe jing stom tang komen miet ki lawan man ta kasngi te mut to site yo te ki la sung thu be badan ka jing aram kita bawan bahasa ni kema mengakidik ki tanyawar sate ka peruslah nang ta ki lai mer ki bana ki tan boy bana wasu ki bun ki banwan na chantia ro ki bun ki bawan.
We accommodate people who are paralyzed and who are from far away. We give them rooms and food and so on. They have to manage their own. And those who are paralyzed, they cannot come every day. So we keep them here and provide also wheelchairs. And many get okay within a week or two. We begin to walk. But main problem is those who take tobacco, they have to stop. If they don't stop, then the hearing doesn't work.
This also same antidiasi. Okay? So okay.
Nak mana Sumar duduk benai ba sini.
Duduk benai pasal.
Tapi suku lu kaya rak ni Sumar.
Lại rap bun hi compare ba menchua.
Kerteng jonga ba frontier besoi moi.
Siapa pisan?
Nasyong ngasa po nong la.
Kum lebih pengalaman Sumar di panggung dalam bisok lu kaya Sumar.
Kali na jingsha te ala lechua nasaran. Bangayo banekong ang alin nasaran. Contoh kalayaram hi. Dia dian pada longta kamja kan ira jeng tersan ye tengah sawan no ni. Nang lawan ni mentah kala don ni albnai tam ye. Hoi kalayaram kamera hi.
don ki bawan ki barang ba ki kham he kum ini la kum no sau phau san minit ki klung te kum tai la song thui kham hiar he don ki bodong thmau kim pala ban cha ban kem tum ta kal kham dunai kapor ban kem ken.
What about the medication, brother?
Medicine as such are actually the treatment, the acupressure and the chiropractic that we do on the spinal cord. They are the medicines. They are sitting right in the body. Now, what they need is some vitamins, nutrition. So accordingly, we give them some nutrition and vitamins. That's what, no other medicines.
Te ladapi trei, ladapi wan pihatri hitom hidaladi. But one ban kembe hindi kumba pa uberda nang tai, kumba batai uberda nang tai, kemudian kasini kan herdu.
Beginning is pain. Without pain, no gain.
That's what it's written outside of you.
Yeah.
No pain, no gain. Okay, lastly, brother, what is your message to our viewers?
Health is wealth for any country, for any generation to survive. We need to have good health. If health is good, nation is good. The productivity increases. The longevity means a lot to us.
Ka kerteng jonga de Sister Theodora Anyauta ngade national soala. Te ngawan join training hang ni ha bunai basan. Te ha jing wan jonga join training ngayo iba ka jing yarap iki brio iba wan kinong pangkamtam wan Pak Sumar hang ni. Na kaliang jonga ngasukwa ban kentu yaki nongpang bawan Sumar hang ni. Dalat bu kapor yaki ban wan man nakasni bagi haban wan ban yak Sumar kanang ba ka Jingkoit yukan kam kloy daki wan man nakasni ba nakermen baleng ba kani ka channel ki weipan ki bampat yo I kani ka Jaka ki bampat yo man eta ka Jingkoit jingkhia ki wan ban Pak Sumar kani ka